Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. This product retails for $38. So to be trying another Glow Recipe product on this channel really excites me. This brand has put out so many amazing products. I was such a huge fan of their Guava Vitamin C Serum. Honestly, it's one of my favorite vitamin C serums that I've tried. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The highlighted ingredients in this product include a 10% blend of encapsulated vitamin C, a 3% niacinamide blend, peptides and green caffeine, and guava seed oil and fruit extract. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description to go to Glow Recipe's website. I kind of have a love-hate relationship for eye creams. I feel like that a lot of eye creams are not a necessary purchase unless it really just does amazing things for my under eye area. This has so many great ingredients in it that I'm hoping that the brightening benefits will make it worth the price point. Another thing that I have a love-hate relationship for is specifically vitamin C eye creams. I haven't tried a lot, but the ones that I have tried have caused a lot of sensitivity, but I've never tried one with encapsulated vitamin C. So the big thing that I'm looking for with this product is just to see if it causes any sensitivity. Since this does include a more gentle and encapsulated form of vitamin C, I really want to find out if that really did make a difference in the vitamin C. And I also just want to see what results I see with this product, especially since it is an encapsulated vitamin C. I typically prefer an encapsulated ingredient when it is very potent. My under eye area is very sensitive to eye creams a lot of times, so I really am glad they decided to go with an encapsulated version of vitamin C, but I also want to see if that disturbs any of the results that I see with it, because $38 is a big price point to pay for an eye cream, so that will just be another thing I'm looking for. As for anything else, I will be continuing to do check-ins with this product, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to use the product for the first time on camera and also give you all a quick check-in. So this is actually my very first time using the product. I am excited because I'm not exactly sure what to expect with it. First of all, I mean, come on with this packaging. This is a ombre gradient effect to it and it's such a pretty pink. I'm just gonna take just like one little pump on my ring finger. It has a little bit of a tint to it. It has a peachy tint to it, which I kind of love. It feels like it would do a little bit of color correcting, which I enjoy. If I'm paying a little bit more for an eye cream, I want it to have good ingredients in it like vitamin C and also do something for my dark circles. I do think I got out too much. It does not take much of this product. Just rubbing it in, it feels very moisturizing. It feels very good under the eyes. I'm not experiencing any crazy sensitivity. It feels moisturizing under the eye. I am just experiencing a little bit of sensitivity the longer that I stand here talking. I'm just gonna have to continue using it and see if I notice anything else with it. That's about all I can tell you right now, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. So the first couple of times that I used this product, I did experience just a little bit of sensitivity to my under eye area. After that though, this product has been working amazing. I've learned that it's best to not even use a full pump of this product. I only use half a pump of this product and that's perfect. The thing that I feel like separates this from a lot of other vitamin C eye creams is that it does use encapsulated vitamin C. It also has a great texture to it and I love the feel of this eye cream, and it also has a very subtle peachy kind of pink tint to it that corrects my dark circles perfectly and just brightens up my face overall. I always forget how much a tinted eye cream really makes a difference. I do feel like that if you do struggle with dark circles and you're wanting to brighten up your under eye area, then this eye cream would be amazing for you. I didn't see any long-term benefits with it because I only used this for about a week and a half, but I did notice noticed that this product did do a great job at delivering an instant brightening effect to the under eyes, just solely because of the tint, and it didn't cause any sensitivity after my eyes kind of got adjusted to it. It makes my under eye area feel very smooth and very hydrated. Not only is it a hydrating eye cream, but it also has a nice color correction to it. I do feel like that I would see some long-term benefits with it the more that I keep using it. I did notice a little bit of a subtle change with my under eye area, with both how it feels and also how it looks. But I mean, it's really up to you on whether or not you are willing to spend this much on an eye cream. It is a little bit of a color corrector, so I feel like that kind of justifies the price point a little bit more to me. You don't have to use a lot of this product, so I do feel like it will last a long time. I'm always on the fence with eye creams because it is a little bit more expensive of a product, but it is one of, if not the first vitamin C eye cream that I have been able to use, and my under eye area didn't experience sensitivity. So if you are looking for a vitamin C eye cream and the claims of this product are something that interests you, I would 100% recommend trying out this product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.